It's been raining all day.
Boring. Sad face.
Okay, before we go do anything, we got to check the pond. Is the pond too close to the house? No, looks good.
Yeah.
All right, let's go check the sub pump, but then we can do an activity.
Okay.
All right, let's check the sub pump, make sure it's okay. Is it running?
Yeah.
What's it look like?
It looks very low, which is good, right?
Well, there's water in there, but it's okay.
Yeah.
So we should be good.
Is supposed to be water there?
All right, a little bit.
Good. Okay. Good.
Today's vlog is Rainy Day Challenges. Subscribe.
Comment down below. Thumbs up.
Our first challenge is the ping pong toss. We have 3 rounds. This is 1 point, this is 2 points, and this is 3 points.
So everybody's gonna get 3 chances. We got Adeline competing, we got Evan competing, and we got Eli competing. Who do you think is gonna win? Comment down below. What do you think, Adeline?
I think it's gonna be a tie between one of us.
You think it's gonna be a
And I
tie?
kind of think I might win.
Ev, who's gonna win? Adeline? Who do you think is gonna win?
I think me.
I think it's gonna be a 3-way tie. All right, let's see. Who's going first?
Me?
Adeline's going first. Ladies first. That's nice, boys. All right, Adeline, you're up first. First one. Oh, second one.
Wow.
Oh, third one. We got one. Whoa, in and out. All right, let's count them up. What do you got, Adeline?
1.
1 point. All right, that's Adeline's first round. Let's collect balls. Coco, who do you think is going to win? Coco? Coco, you're going to win? Coco? Collect the balls, collect the balls. Got them. Back in the cup. Ev, you going next? All right,
You go next.
Evan's up. Let's see what you can do, Evan. First one. Oh, a little
You're
off.
so close, Evan.
So close. Oh, close, Ev. Try again. Ball number 3. Oh, close. Ball number 4.
Try to get it. Hello.
Crazy toss. That's good. Last one, Ev. Get it in there.
Get it in.
Oh, so close. And what does Ev get the first round?
0.
0. Good try, Ev.
What is Eli gonna get? I'm not know.
Let's see. All right, Eli's up. You're going to stand up, Eli? There you go.
Stand up, man. Do your best.
First one. Oh, in and out. Ooh, nice one.
Coco.
Oh, he's on a roll. He's hot. Whoa! Nice job. All right, let's add them up. What does Eli got?
So 2 plus 2 equals 4, and 4 plus 3 equals 7.
7. Nice job. So first round, we got Adeline with 1 point, Eli with 7, and Evan with 0 points. All right, second round. Let's go. First one. Second one. Nice one. Oh, in and out. So close.
12. Not 4. Yeah, okay. Last ball. 2 points.
2 points for Adeline. Challenge accepted, Ev.
Let's go. He's coming.
Here he comes. All right, Evan. Here we go.
Try to make it.
Get a toss. Oh, that was close, Ev. Try again. Little bounce. Oh, so close. He hit it. Oh, that was a close one, Ev. Ev. Oh, in and out. Ev, try underhand this time. Underhand. Oh, that was close. Good job, Ev. Nice try. All right, ball collection. First one in and out of 2 of them. Third one. Third one. Oh.
Ooh, hit the side.
Oh, what do you think, Ev? Oh, Eli gets... How many points is that? 3 points. Third round. Evan's going to start first. First one in. Nice job, Evan. All right, do it again, Ev.
He made 3 points.
Do it again, Ev. Whoop, it's up. Oh, that was close. Oh, that was close. Keep going, Ev.
Come on, Ev.
Oh, overhand.
Oh, he hit
Coming
it.
in hot. What do we got, Ev? What do you got? Oh, good try, Ev. So Ev gets 3 points. Nice job. Ev, give me some of that. Give me some of that. Ow, that's so hard. Do. Adeline's up. Yep, you got a good score. First one.
In out.
Second one.
I'm making
Ooh,
Okay. Oh yeah.
we got there. Oh, nice try, Adeline. All right, Adeline got 1 point there. So what do we have? Got one. So all together, Adeline has.
3. What's 1? Oh wait. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4.
4 points. Good job, Adeline. All right, Eli, you're up. Can you beat what you got first round? First round you got 7. Wait. All right. Try again. There we go. Ooh, first one. Second one. In and back in. That works. Ooh, in and out. Eli, I saw that toe. What are you doing? Are we going to have to disqualify Eli? What did you get first one, Eli? You got 1 point this time, so let's add them up. What do we got, Adeline?
11.
11 points, so that means...
We might have to disqualify him.
Let's comment down below. Should we disqualify Eli? What do you think, Ev? Is he good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So right now, Eli wins the first challenge.
But he might not.
But
if other people think he should be disqualified.
Ooh.
I'm in.
Eli, you think you're in? All right.
Our next challenge is treat pickup.
Here's what we're going to do. We found these delicious little treats laying in our pantry, and they're going to get 59 seconds to pick up as many treats as they can and put it into their bowl. Evan has elected to be our timer. Evan, right? Thumbs up, Ev. All right, Evan's going to be our timer. Adeline's going to go first. So, comment down below, who is going to win this challenge? Adeline or Eli? Or will Dad just eat all the treats and we won't even have a challenge?
Yeah.
All right, Ev, are you ready?
Yeah.
As soon as Ev hits the timer down below, right there. Oh, right there, down there. And set. Click it. Go! Ooh, she's off to a strong start. We got one. Oh, look at that.
Dad,
I think she's been doing this when we haven't been watching. No, it'll stop on its own. Oh! Is this a gym activity?
No. Can I eat one? No. Okay.
Don't distract her. She's focused. Ooh, that orange one was tricky. What delicious little treats. What do we got, Ev? We got 30 seconds left. She's going strong, Eli. I don't know. This is going to be a tough one to beat. Ooh. Look at her go. She's got a nice rhythm. Whoa. Eli looks defeated before he even gets started. Oh, she's laughing. She's losing concentration. Oh, we got what? 12 seconds. 12 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4,
3, 2, 1. Done. What'd you get, Adeline?
24.
24. Ooh, Eli, what do you think? Can you beat that challenge?
No.
Eli, from that, I'm thinking.
I'm in your Eli,
All right, we're going to try, Eli. Well, let's get them all back out here. Evan, you ready with the timer?
Try to beat it. It's
already
started.
No, we got to start over.
Blah, blah, blah.
Eli wasn't ready.
Hey, I'm the
Eli's ready to go. He's got his ready. All right, Evan, say go.
Go.
Nope, got to start it, Ev. Push the button. There we go. All right, we're up and look at him go. Eli's off to...
Let's go. 4,
there we
3, 2,
Ooh.
1, 0. 8.
He's got a little bit more time than that, Evan.
6, 5.
Don't make him laugh. He's going to... Oh!
3, 2, 1.
What do we got? He's got 40 seconds. Ooh, tricky one. Oh, well, we don't lose them all. All right, keep going, Eli. Ooh, he's going. Gonna find a... Ooh, there we go. Now he's got it.
He's got the speed. He's laughing.
He's gonna blow them all over. Don't sneeze.
You gotta laugh on. You can't get it.
Oh, it's tricky. It's a tricky one. Oh, that purple one. Oh, we lost him. Put him back in. There we go.
Get that purple.
Get him in there.
That's a tricky
Maybe the
one.
purple one's the heaviest. Maybe don't try that one. Oh, the yellow one.
It's also
Oh, time's up. What did you get, Eli?
He's not too close.
I
He's
think-
got
let's
20
see.
less than me.
What is that?
He's got 4. 4.
4.
He's got 20 less than me.
Adeline gets this round. Nice job, Adeline. High five. Eli, good job. Nice try. Hello, Eli. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging. Give me some of that. All right. Good job. Hey, Ev. Good job on your side. Ow. Good job, Ev. Nice time. Dice balance challenge.
Yeah, the dice
Okay.
balance.
How does this one work? What were you gonna do?
You're gonna put this popsicle stick in your mouth
In your mouth, and then you're
and
gonna.
then put a dice on it and see how many you can get on there before it falls.
So we're gonna try to balance as many. Evan has elected not to do this one because what are you doing, Evan? Oh, you're eating delicious treats, and you think this one's a hard one? I think you're right, Ev. Ev, is this one the hard one? Are the treats delicious? All right. Dad also has elected just to. Whoa, she's already going. We already got. Oh, I'm sorry, Adeline. Was that your practice? That was
Yes.
Are you ready, Eli? Let's see what Eli can do. Two. Oh, good try, Eli. You got 2 the first time. All right, Adeline, your turn. Let's see what Adeline can do. We got 1, 2, 3. Whoa, 3. Nice job, Adeline. Eli, can you beat 3? Here we go. What do we got? Oh.
Wow.
You gotta go a little bit more balanced. Oh. There's 1.
Do it.
Here comes 2. There's 2. Oh, he's tilting. Here comes 3. There's 3. We've tied with Adeline. Here comes. Oh! Good try, Eli. We got 3. All right.
What?
Here we go, Adeline. Can she beat 3? There's 1.
There's
There's
2.
2.
And
Count it, count it.
3. 2.
What comes after 3?
Oh, Adeline.
Oh, 3. That 4th one seems to be the hardest one. All right, Eli.
Can't get it.
Is this round 3? Round 3. Last round.
Yes, last round. See if you can beat 3.
See if you can do. Oh,
Out.
you try again, Eli. Try again.
Yeah, just that.
We need to start with at least 1. There's 1.
2. 3.
Oh.
He don't.
Oh! Oh! 4. Nice job, Eli. All right. Here we go, Adeline. 4. Have counting.
1, 2. Oh, I don't know if she can read 4. Once he can get 4. Oh man, she got.
Oh! Good try, Adeline. Looks like that one goes to Eli. Good job, Eli.
My stick is with me.
Give me a high five.
Stop.
Ab, high five. Ow! Oh, I saw it. Adeline had 4. Did anybody else see it? Did we catch that on camera? Did you see it, Eli?
No.
You didn't see it? Ab, did you see it?
Still got 4.
Adeline,
I
did
got
you see
4.
it?
Yes, I was the one doing it.
Good job, Eli and Adeline. Those were fun challenges.
Yeah, that was really fun.
So this is the next morning after our big storm.
Yeah, it flooded up. Over the pond.
So our pond is very, very flooded. It's up in our yard where that big tall grass is usually the end of the pond. So you can see how high it's come up into our yard. Thankfully, our basement's okay and all of our neighbors are okay, but you can see how high it is down there by the fences. And it's cold.
That's it for Lady Day Challenges. If you liked our video, subscribe. Give us a thumbs up.
Ab, how's the treats?
Good.
Good.
Bye.
Till next time.